I feel overwhelmed, super. This is my first time winning such a big prize like this. I'm Roderick Gonzales from Team ASC Pampanga. I've been in the industry for 3 years for now. My friend from ASC Solar Pampanga, which is JR Calma, he's the one who's the pioneer here. We have been a lot of solar projects around here, also in Pampanga. Some of my installations are around here in the Philippines, from North Luzon to South Luzon, and even Visayas. I feel I help other Filipinos achieve their goals of having electricity without connecting to grid sometimes. We're powering up some projects like water station for those no access for the purified water stations, solar-powered water stations. We already have the high price cost from the market, is the electricity. So that's why I've decided to build my own solar projects, from small setups to middle-class setup, and then we met Sungrow. For now, Sungrow is the best. Sungrow is my recommendations to my clients. Aside from warranties and other support, we did not having any problems for Sungrow. On the technical supports, up to the warranties, it's all fine. There's a lot of feedbacks from our clients. All of my clients are happy. They're happy about Sungrow and they're happy about the after sales. I feel so grateful, and I know that my build and those inverters will function right away on just a few clicks. It's so basic setup. That's why I finish it in shortest time. To those younger installers or wanted to build their own solar system, don't have the hesitations to make it or to build it, because Sungrow team is here. They will assist you and they will give all the support that you want or what you need. And there's a lot of trainings. You can come and visit our trainings. You're all welcome. Sungrow #1! Yay! Sungrow #1!